In June of 2022, Mizzen by Mott invited 10 out-of-school time educators from community programs across the U.S. to New York City to experience jazz at Lincoln Center's Module 1 Content Live, gain access to tools on the Mizzen platform, learn from real-life jazz musicians, and begin their journey of becoming Mizzen makers.
The last 2 days have been absolutely amazing. I mean, from the instruction, the collaboration, from meeting my colleagues across the United States, sharing ideas.
The last 2 days of activities have been a little bit more than I thought. I thought I was just going to be sitting in a chair and learning how to use an app. Instead, I was doing things that the children would be doing. I was looking silly and having fun, and everybody was working together. It was wonderful.
This experience has been amazing. It's definitely not what I thought that it was going to be like. I thought we were going to sit here and really just kind of watch somebody present, but being able to get involved and actually get up and dance and do like visual, I'm a very visual learner, so being able to do the visual activities has been amazing.
Well, what I like about Mizzen is the fact that they are passionate about serving all populations, but specifically those young people, and making sure that teachers, educators, families, musicians, folks, that are in after-school programs have the opportunity for free to reach the masses.
What I'm most excited about being a Mizzen maker is bringing what I've learned about jazz back to the kids that I serve out in a rural community where they really don't have a lot of exposure to music. And so I think it'll be a really enriching and unique experience for them.
This is a beautiful place to gather people here at Lincoln Center. It's been very inspiring to see all these educators come together in such a fantastic context, and it's just been a pleasure to partake in the history of this place and to be able to also look forward to see how it could influence the future.